Hello everybody, Cam S here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to episode 3 of our 2022 hunting season series. We are out to the woods and it is the afternoon. The cameras have been a little slow the last few days, so hopefully they'll be rolling through here anytime within the next few days, since they have seemed to take a break from going by the cameras for a little bit. So hopefully they're due to show up soon, and hopefully I'll be out in the woods when they show up. So I will head out there. I'm not sure what the game plan is yet, but I'll let you know when I get out there.
I started walking in and I heard a gobble. I looked over and there's a tom strutting over there somewhere. I lost sight of it. I'm not really sure what I should do. I'm about 50 yards from my blind. I don't know if I should try to sneak in the blind and set the decoys up real quick, or if I should just sit right here next to a tree and put a decoy up and start calling. I just don't want it to see me. Well, I made it to the blind. I have 2 decoys out and I think I'm gonna start calling now. I still hear them over there once in a while gobbling. Sure what to do. He hasn't gobbled in a while, and he was gobbling pretty often. And then a plane flew over and he gobbled, and he sounded like he was right over there. But then I can't get him to call back after 15-20 minutes, so I don't know if I should get out and try to make a move on him, or if I should be patient and let him try to come in. But I don't want to wait too long to let him try to come in and have him move out of the area. So I'm not totally sure what my game plan is right now. Right after I got done saying that, he gobbled, and it was very close. I don't know which direction it came from, though. Sounded like he was right on top of me. Well, I just got him to gobble again after a long time waiting, and it sounds like he's a ways away, so I might just try. Go with 1 decoy, leave the backpack here, just try to move slowly, to try to get a look at him, and just hope that I don't scare him.
Well, I took a walk like I said I was gonna do, and I went real slow and just tried to find him. I called every once in a while walking to see if I could get a response, and I never got a call back. I never laid eyes on him, so not really sure where he vanished off to, but I could not find him. So I moved the 1 camera that I haven't been getting any turkeys on to the area, the general area of where I saw him when I first came in, because I've seen turkeys in that area last year and last deer season. I think that was the closest encounter that we've had so far this year, and it sounded like he was gobbling right on top of me at one point, but I have a very thick area behind the blind and I could not see him, so not sure where he vanished off to, but hopefully he stays in the general area. That's gonna probably be it for today's sit. Head home, get some dinner, figure out where I'm gonna sit tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Hello everybody, I am out in the field. It is the next day. This is the same area where I tried to sneak out on those toms in the last video, so I am set up in a field, ready to go. Well, that just scared the absolute crap out of me. I was sitting here watching whenever I was just recording out the field. I couldn't tell if it was like a raccoon or what it was. Then I noticed like a little bit of movement right by my feet, and I thought it was just a mouse or something. Then I moved my head a little bit, and there was a possum. I'm not even joking, about 4 inches from my boot. So, good thing the turkeys are not out of the roost yet, I don't think, because I definitely would have scared them away because I just jumped up pretty quick.
So thought I would take this time to thank our video sponsors, New View Hunting Camo. I am very appreciative for them partnering with me for these episodes of turkey season, and I am very happy with New View's camo. All of the coats and the pants that you see in these videos are from New View Hunting, and they've got many different camo options, and their coats have many different aspects to them that make them very useful for hunting. They've got pockets all over the coat, and it is very convenient for when you're out in the woods, especially if you've got a lot of gear like I do. So another thing, if you have watched my other videos, New View is putting on a giveaway photo competition, and they are giving away a lot of stuff. The grand prize will win about $590 worth of gear, and you can enter that yourself without even having to post a picture with New View Hunting. All you have to do is click the link that I put down below, and you have a chance to win a lot of stuff. And they've got a lot of runner-up prizes as well, so they're giving away a lot of stuff. Go check it out, and make sure you hurry and post your submissions soon, because the contest ends May 31st. And if you want to purchase some of your own New View Hunting camo, you can use my code. Click the link down below and you can get 35% off your New View purchase. So thank you very much for New View. Obviously the camo works pretty well, if that possum almost stepped on me. So it keeps me pretty camouflaged, and the quiet material helps me to stay hidden pretty well. So thank you New View Hunting for working with me for this series, and now we can get back out in the woods.
really sure what happened. That looked like it was gonna work out so good. They were standing over there for about an hour. Then the wind caught my Jake decoy and turned it, so that it like flashed them, and they started coming in. And I think there was 3 hens and 3 toms. There were 3 hens were coming my way, but behind the hill right here. And the 3 toms started coming my way. Then the 3 hens got up and over this hill, and I don't know if they saw my hen decoys and wanted to take the toms away, or what happened, because as soon as those hens saw my decoys, they started booking it that way, and the toms started chasing after them. So not sure what happened. It's pretty cool to watch them for as long as I did, though.
Well, I decided to call it a morning. It was a very eventful morning, to say the least, between that first possum that came through and almost stepped on me because it didn't see me, and all the pheasants. That was really cool to see, because until pretty recently I have not seen pheasants around this area. So it's pretty cool to see them and to see the number that I did as well. And I saw a few deer and then those turkeys as well. I thought they were gonna come in, but unfortunately they did not. But overall it was a very good hunt, and it was a good morning to sit out there. I sat out there for a little bit longer and did not hear or see anything, and then I checked adjacent field to see if they were out there, but they were not. So I'm not sure where they went, but it was a good morning out there. Well, it is the afternoon now. We are out in the woods, and I think I'm gonna do the same thing that I started to do yesterday. Just kind of creep through slowly and hopefully just listen to see if I can hear any birds and go from there. Well, that's going to wrap up this week's episode. Don't forget to come back next week to watch tomorrow's hunt. And a huge thank you again to New View Hunting for partnering with me for this episode and this series as a whole. And everybody, don't forget to check out New View Hunting and go enter yourself in the New View photo contest for your chance to win some great prizes. Thank you again, everybody that watched this video, and make sure you subscribe so you do not miss out on next week's. I will see you very soon, and thank you for watching.